Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your artistic journey. Today I want to talk about practice, confidence and growth through this watercolor painting. When you first look at this painting, your eyes may go directly to the waterfall. It is bright, powerful and full of energy. But what makes the waterfall stand out is not only the white water. It is the dark shape around it, the soft mist, the distant mountain and the quiet reflection. Every part work together to create the final image. This painting reminded me of our journey as artists. We often admire the final result, but we forget the process behind it. Just like this waterfall. Every artist growth is made up of many small moments. Every practice session, every failed painting, and every mistake become part of the journey. The beauty we see today is built on countless hours of learning and practice. Look at the distant mountain in this painting. They are soft, simple, and not full of details. Yet they create depth and atmosphere. In the same way, not every practice session will feel exciting or impressive. Some days your work may seem simple, some days you may feel that you are not improving, but those quiet days are building your foundation. The small effort that nobody notices often become the reason for future success. The watercolor itself teaches another lesson. Water never stops because it finds a rock in its path. It's keep flowing, it's move around obstacles and continues its journey. As artists, we will face challenges too. Sometime a painting will not work, sometime we will lose confidence, sometime we will compare ourselves with others, but like water we must keep moving. Progress belongs to those who continue, even when the path is difficult. One of my favorite part of this painting is the two tiny figures standing near the water. They are very small compared to the landscape around them. To me, they represent every student sitting here today. The mountains are large, the waterfall is powerful, the scene feels vast and overwhelming. Yet, those figures are still there, exploring and experience the beauty around them. As artists, we often feel small in front of the skills we want to achieve. We look at experienced artists and wonder if we will ever reach that level. The answer is yes, but only if we keep taking one step at a time. Notice how much white space is left in this painting. In watercolor, white space is not emptiness. It is light, it is breathing room. It is what makes the painting glow. This painting also reminds me that watercolor is about trust. Once the water and pigment start moving, we cannot control everything. We guide the process, but we must also allow the medium to do its work. Growth as an artist is similar. We must trust that every sketch, every study, and every practice painting is helping us become better even when we cannot immediately see the result. The glowing light in the sky is another important lesson. Light is often the first thing we protect in watercolor because once it is lost, it is difficult to bring back. In our artistic journey, that light is our passion. Skill can be learned, technique can be practiced, but passion is what keeps us returning to the paper. Never lose the excitement that made you pick up a brush in the first place. Protect the passion just as carefully as you protect the light in a watercolor painting. So, when you look at this painting, do not just see a waterfall. See in the flowing water. See patience in the distant mountain. My message is only simple. Do not be afraid to begin. Do not be afraid to fail. And do not be afraid to practice. Every great watercolor painting starts with a single brushstroke on a blank sheet of paper. Every skilled artist was once a beginner. Keep painting, keep learning, and keep trusting your journey. One day your own brush will tell a story that only you can tell. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. I hope this painting and these thoughts inspire you to keep practicing and keep creating. If you have any question, please put them in the comment below. I would be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much and happy painting.